Hello guys, review tablet Teclast P40HD. Okay, look compactation to the tablet. In compactation we have the commentary, key for SIM slot, Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Adapter for charging with quick charge. Okay. Device made of plastic. On the back side camera and LED, on the front side 10.1-inch display, on this side power key and volume case, Type-C port. On this side without controls, upside we have slot for tuner SIM card and micro SD card for memory and headphones jack. Downside speakers. Turn on tablet. Okay, we have HD, full HD display, IPS. Okay. Open settings. We have clear Android and version Android 12. Close this. Geekbench 5 tests. We have Unisoc Tiger T606 octa-core processor. GPU Mali G57. Look into the benchmark results. Okay, close this and run Guitar Sunrise. Guitar Sunrise on the medium graphic level works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, we have 6,000 mAh battery. Okay, with quick charge, and we can we can ring from this tablet. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.